What does it mean when you receive your PIN? It just means that...
Hi guys, before we start, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Like and share the video. Salamat, salamat. Thank you, thank you.
What does it mean when you receive your PIN? It just means that AdSense will send your PIN when you reach your threshold. Here in the Philippines, the threshold is $10. And here it is, finally! I received it May 18, exactly 1 month after AdSense sent it to me. They emailed me April 18 that they sent the PIN to my address. I am so excited that I hid it and did not open it till now. Now it's May 31. So let's open it. Let's see what's inside. It came from Malaysia. How to open this? Okay, remove side edges first. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Like this, the numbers. Step 1, your Google AdSense personal identification number. Welcome to Google AdSense. To enable payments for your account, please follow these steps. Step 1, sign in to your AdSense account at Google AdSense blah 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 with the email address and password you use during the application process. Step 2 is click the gear icon and select payment. Step 3, in the left navigation bar, click account information. Then click verify address. Step 4, enter your PIN as it appears on the right and click submit PIN. Thanks, Google AdSense team. So this is what's inside. I just concealed my PIN number. Yeah. And so let's go set up in the PC. Let's go. So, Tigris, how can I continue to verify my address if you're there on my keyboard? Hello, you're sitting on my PIN. Yeah, I'm gonna verify my address and you are there. Hello, it's me. Can I? Yes. I'm gonna verify my address. You're sitting on my PIN. Excuse me. Yes. Yes. Go somewhere else. Go there. I'm gonna verify my address. Hello. Go. Address. Oh my gosh. I don't want this. Go somewhere else. Like. Address. Yes. Excuse me. Address. No. You don't have an excuse. Wait. You don't know where you're going. Yes. Excuse me. I'll put on there. Yes. I'm gonna work. Sige na. Excuse me. That's my thing you're sitting on. Come on. Go somewhere. Not there. Go na. Go there. Yes. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Come on. Thank you. Get the dress. Okay. No. There, okay. They sent me this email April 18, so no, Tigris, don't come back here.